Okay, so today we're going to be looking at 4.2, and it's all about analyzing patterns using graphs and tables, which is super interesting and fun.
When you have a problem with two variables, you can organize the variables in a table. Suppose your friend is 2 years older than you. A table is one way to record your ages at different points. In
Okay.
the table, when your age is 0, your friend's age is 2. When your age is 5, your friend's age is 7. When your age is 10, your friend's age is 12. And when your age is 15, your friend's age is 17.
So each time when you go from the left column to the right, you're just adding 2 because your friend is 2 years older than you are.
Drag the shapes to form the fourth figure in the pattern. Then move to the next screen and complete the table.
So for this one, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blue squares and 1 red circle. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 2. This next one, we have 3 and 12. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 blue, and 3 red. So look at this and say, okay, well, what pattern is happening? We go from 8 to 10 and then 10 to 12. So each time I'm adding 2. So for figure 4, I should have 14 blue, and down here I'm just adding 1 each time and 4 red. So 4 circles and 14 squares.
Complete the table.
So here they have 1 circle, there's going to be 8 squares. 2 circles, there's 10. 3 circles, we said there were 12. 4 circles, we said that there would be 14. What about 5? Can we assume that we would add 2? Yes. So 5 would give me 16, and 6 would give me 18. What about this one?
Draw the fourth figure in the pattern. After you draw the fourth figure, complete the table.
So here we have 1 triangle and 3 circles. Here we have 2 triangles and 4 circles. Here we have 3 triangles and 5 circles. So if we have 4 triangles, we can assume there would be 6 and 5. There must be 7 because they're adding 1 circle each time they add a triangle. So an additional figure piece requires 1 more triangle and 1 more circle. So here's what they drew. Okay, and they also filled in their graph.
Figures 1, 2, and 3 show a pattern. Describe why figure 4 is not the fourth tree in the pattern.
Okay. So they want to know, is this fourth figure a pattern? Why or why not? So here we know figure 1, we have 1 branch and then out comes 2. Here we have 1, out comes 2, out comes 2. Here we have 1, out comes 2, 2 more. So each time there should be 2 little branches coming out. Well, here we know this is not a figure because it has 3 branches coming out. So the first 3 figures, they're exactly 2 new branches growing from each tree branch. The last layer in figure 4 has 3 coming out, so that is not part of the pattern.
You can use tables and graphs to analyze patterns. Both tables and graphs will help you see how a change in the independent variable affects the dependent variable. After 1 hour, the plane traveled 500 miles. Plot this point on the graph. After 2 hours, the plane traveled 1,000 miles. Plot this point on the graph. Similarly, plot the remaining values in the table as points on the graph. In the first 8 weeks of its life, a large breed dog gains 1 kilogram every 2 weeks. Use the table to graph the relationship between weeks and kilograms.
So down here on the x-axis, that's weeks. And the y-axis going up and down is kilograms. Okay, so that means my first dot is in the second week. Okay, they go up to 1 kilogram. Okay, the fourth week, they go up to 2. The sixth week, they go up to 3. The eighth week, they go up to 4. So this is a pattern or a relationship, and it can be graphed accordingly.
Use the table to graph the relationship between the x column and the y column.
So for this one, the x is right here, so it's left to right, and the y is up and down. So for x, if we have 0, and y, 4, that can start right here. Then 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7, and 4, 8. And when you do that, you have a relationship. Good job. Let's go on to part 2, or part 3, sorry.
To solve some problems, you can connect the points with a line or curve. The graph shows the power delivered by a car engine at different engine speeds. Drag only the points that fall on the curve to the graph.
So the points 1,000, because you're going to the right, 1,040 is on the graph. 2,075. Okay, we have 2,300, 100. 3,400, 140, sorry. 4,200. 6,300. And 7,500, 340. If you remember, this first number means they have to go left and right, and then the second number they go up and down. You'll be able to do this accordingly.
The graph shows the relationship between the speed of a car and the car's fuel economy. Name a point that falls on the graph.
So for me, I like to find a point that's going to be easy. I look for those points where they intersect at 2 lines. So for me, I'm probably going to look at this dot right here. You can choose anywhere on the graph. For me, I chose that because it's intersecting with 2 lines. So I know that I have 10, 20, 30, 40. Well, this dot is in between 40 and 50. So for me, it would be at 45. Okay, and then up and down, it's lying straight on the 30 line. So 45, 30 is the point that I chose. Go ahead and choose your own point, and I will check it for you in your notes. Part 4.
A landscape architect is designing a greenway. The design calls for 620 trees on every acre of the greenway. Complete the table. Then, graph the relationship between acres and number of trees. A kapok tree is a very tall rainforest tree. Assume that a kapok tree grows 12 feet each year. Complete the table and use the points to graph the growth of the kapok tree.
Okay, at this point, for some reason, these graphs are not coming up. So what I'm going to do is pause this video here and go ahead back onto my Weebly and do the part 4 of this.